Hello, hi everybody. Welcome back to the Invispiration channel. I'm back here today to share with you some information about this interesting token that is just trending over the past few weeks. The token I'm talking about today is called HODL. It seems to be growing tremendously over the past 24 or 36 hours. So please stay tuned with me so we can go ahead and dive into this token and see if it's something that you may be looking into or if you are already in, so we can share some ideas. I'll be right back so we can dive right into it. Hey, so welcome back everybody. So here I am on the coin market cap and I'm looking at HODL. The current price is actually at 601912 and it actually did go down. It was 201 something when I was looking at it earlier, about 30 minutes ago or so. But this token has really been doing well. So let's go ahead and just walk through their website quickly and see what they are talking about. So I'm just going to dive into their tokenomics. Please feel free to go to their website and read through for yourself. I'm trying to make this video as short as I can with much information. Go to their website, and to go there, make sure you go through the coin market cap and just click here. That way you know you are linking to the correct web page and not any clone web page. Okay, so on there, and I'm looking at their tokenomics, right? So they do have 66.4% that was put into the pre-sale and launch, and they have 100% liquidity locked for 6 months. Now they already burned 23.6%, which is actually huge. Okay, so they only have 66.4 that they put into the pre-sale and pre-launch. 5% airdrops, which means they're going to be airdropping, like, you know, just giving some kind of, should I call it, freebies of tokens to some holders. I'm not sure how that exactly works, but that is what that is. And the team only have 1% of this token. That is great. I don't know why they actually have less of it, but I mean, that's what it says. And there is 4% for marketing. So yeah, really the team is having the minimum share here. But anyways, that is their tokenomics. But what I really wanted to talk into, so I've been seeing this coin trending and I just kind of decided to look into it. And so as we see the current price here, 19146, I decided to try it yesterday for myself, right? And I just put in a little bit, and a little bit, I don't know, might be too little for you, it might be too high for you if you're watching this. And I'm just making this video on my own because my channel is still very small. It doesn't have a lot of following, but I'm hoping that someone would be looking at this because I think there is a lot of interest. So I'm just making it. Whoever this interests you, please go ahead and watch it, and also comment, leave your comments. So if you're gonna want me to take a look into any specific tokens. But I just wanted to try it yesterday because I've been watching it for the past several days, right? So yesterday when I tried to join, it was like only 613, and I wrote that down. That's how I remember. So it was all zeros with just 613, and I joined. I tried in the morning with half BNB. I put 0.5 BNB in the morning, and again, this is not to tell anybody to put 0.5 or whatever. If you are looking to do it at your own risk. Put whatever you want and try it. You know, whatever you can afford to pretty much lose or manage your risk with. But that was comfortable with me. So I put 0.5 BNB in the morning at 613, remember, with all zeros. And then in the evening when I came, this thing spiked to 1.2 whatever it was, and then I put another half BNB, and then it did go to 20 something. I didn't write that down, but it did go up to 2, right? And as we can see, it did spike right here, and actually here was 2.6 with 0.00002.696. it went up to at the peak, and I'm like, wow, this is crazy. But I can see it's beginning to drop here, right? It's beginning to drop here because people, I think some people have already made gains, and again, people are starting to sell. That's why we are seeing this very steep drop right here. So I mean, but it's worth it. People should take profits, manage your risk accordingly. But yeah, it did within 24 hours. So remember, I just said I put half a BNB in the morning and then half in the evening. So I did dollar cost average into it just so I can manage my risk, and this is how many tokens I was able to get with that in total. And look at this, guys. Look, it's already at 2.43. I just gained more than 1 BNB in a day actually. And this is not to say what I've accumulated. Let me clear that. It means my tokens just increased in value, and if I was to convert it to BNB, this is what it's going to be. So I put in 1 BNB, roughly 1.2 to be precise, honestly, and I already gained more than 100% of what I put. And this is within about 24 hours, guys. So that is huge. I don't know if this thing is going to continue growing like this, but I do see a lot of people joining this token. And if we go to coin market cap, right, look at it, it's the most viewed right now. And I know this thing changes. It was Bitcoin, then Shiba, and then SafeMoon. It keeps changing, right? But currently, this is what we have. So that does tell you that there's a lot of interest in it right now. Okay, and the volume is not too huge, but it's growing. 33 million. This is a new token, and this is within the last 7 days, right? This is a new token. So, I mean, I just want to share this information with all of you guys in case you may be interested in it. It has about 14,419 people watching it right now. I don't think there is a lot of word out there about this token yet. It's just beginning to trend. Okay, I actually saw it last week, but I wasn't interested in it. But I see people are talking about it, and you know, the most important thing on these channels is to share what the people want to see, right? That way they can have the information they're looking for in case that benefit them to make their decisions. I do see this growing very soon just because of the way it's trending and at the pace that it's trending, because it's only getting started, right? If you look at it, like right here, it was like nothing, but look at it, it's just been growing. It hasn't stopped, right? We are only seeing this kind of drop right now, and honestly, to me, when I see that, that is good because it tells you people have made gains and they're selling it, right? But it may be people who joined in early. It could be possibly whales so far. So that is going to increase the token, right? It's going to drop it just within this time frame. That is going to be a short decrease, but normally that's a spike, especially with the token being very young. Not a lot of watches, but like I said, the reason why I'm making this video is just to share with you guys, simply because I see a lot of people talking about it and I think there is a lot of interest. So I just wanted to share with anyone that might be, you know, following my channel in case you see this. Okay, so that is that. Now the other question that I do see about I'm seeing people asking is how to claim the BNB. Now, other than my tokens increasing in value here, there is also a way that you gain BNB just by investing in it, and that is really the great part, right? Just by investing in this thing and holding it, there is some amount of BNB that you collect every day. Now that is besides my tokens being worth now more than 1 extra BNB. I'm still collecting this much every day. Now if I would invest more, if I would buy more tokens, then this number here is going to change. But so far with what I've invested, what I've put into this is how much I'm supposed to be collecting on a daily basis. And if I just let it be without selling or putting in more, then yearly estimate is about these many BNBs. By within the next 1 year, I would collect this just by holding. And remember, the value of the coin may increase, which you may be gaining here. Okay, and then you are also gaining this in the year. It's kind of seems too good to be true. So please, this is not a financial advice to you guys. I just found it very interesting, especially the collection of BNB part, and just also the way it's beginning to trend. I do think this thing can spike if there seem to be more people joining. So do your own due diligence and please invest at your own risk. But I personally do think this thing can, you know, again, make you some substantial gains if you manage your risk accordingly. Now there is a way to collect the BNB. My time is not up yet. As you can see here, depending on what time you join, it's going to tell you when you can be qualified to collect your BNB, your daily BNB. So for today, it's currently at 11:02. I'm just about 53 minutes away to be able to collect my initial BNB. So I intend to make another video about that, just to see how that process works. So I will be coming back to you guys to share that with you. And for you to buy the HODL token, simply on the website, just click on buy, connect to your wallet. I am using my MetaMask wallet, but you have to have BNB in your wallet. So you may have to buy BNB from Binance or wherever that may be, and then make sure that is in your wallet. You can also buy it within your wallet, but you can do that once you have that in your wallet. Some BNB you can buy from the HODL website. Okay, you can also do it through PancakeSwap, and of course that's where you're gonna have to buy through. Okay, but anyways, just wanted to make this short. I'll be back to share how I collected my daily BNB, just to see how that works. You guys can look at it if it benefits anybody. Please feel free to comment below. Should I look into any token that you are interested in, or just comments about the channel? Again, this is a pretty new channel. I don't have a lot of following yet, but I'm hoping I would get some more following. So if you are watching this, please feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. That way you are not going to miss out on any information I may be sharing. And also, you are really most importantly supporting this channel so it can trend on YouTube, just like any other channels, for me to be able to get the followings that I needed, so I can be motivated to share more information for all of us. Okay, so this is the Inspiration channel. Until then, I will talk to you guys soon. Please take care.